Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify if a product on Temu is legit. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just started shopping on Temu. How do you actually know if this card binder here is actually legitimate? Now either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But I've been shopping on Temu now for about 6 months, and I must say that when you click onto an item, the only thing I look out for is just the reviews, okay? So if there's good 5-star reviews, that indicates that this is probably a legitimate item. There have been no, I'd say, counterfeit or fake items that I've purchased from Temu or have come across. With Temu, I like to order very simple use case items. So what I mean is that you can't go wrong with getting a card binder, or you can't go wrong with buying an apple slicer. So very simple use case items are probably like the more legitimate ones. And even if they're not legitimate, you could always return it to Temu for up to 30 days or 90 days actually. So with finding legitimate items, I normally just scan through the reviews. I look at the shop seller as well. So this is a shop seller called Laymanston. They have 76,000 sold. And with that, this item here just looks legitimate to me. So as I said before, if you find that the item isn't what was described to you, you could always just go ahead and return it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find out if an item is legit on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.